If you're getting started with Buffer, the first step is to connect your social channels. Let's walk through how to slip through this task so you can get to the good stuff. From your Buffer dashboard, click on your avatar in the upper right and select Channels. When I click Connect Channel, I see all of the social networks that integrate with Buffer. To connect my channel, I'll click on the social network's name. However, in case I have more than one account with that social network, I'll first log into that account in another browser tab to ensure Buffer has direct access to the exact account I want to connect. Once that's done, I'll head back to my channels area of Buffer, ready to go through the connection process. Each social network has its own process, and we walk you through the steps for the channel you choose. Because the flows vary from social network to social network, the best way to get through the connection quickly is to follow each step. Don't worry though, most are very straightforward. If you have any questions at all, head to that social channels guide in our help center. The title will be Using Blank with Buffer. You'll fill in the social network's name in that blank. Alright, great! Once your channel is connected, it'll appear in your dashboard. While all of your channels will appear in the publishing dashboard, whether or not they show up in the Analyze and Community dashboards will depend on each channel and whether or not it's supported in those areas. We're continually working to bring more channels into our Analyze and Community tabs, so stay tuned. Lastly, to reconnect or disconnect a channel, you'll click on the 3 dots and follow the prompts. I hope you feel like a certified channel connection expert after watching this. However, if you need support at any time, just click on the Help button in the lower right of your dashboard or from the Help Center.